In the following video, you will learn how to do a standard one-pick, one-drop trip in FreightWeb's Carrier Optimization Suite. From the home or landing page, click Trips. On the top right, you'll see a green button, Add a new trip. Enter a shipment number, contents, and the negotiated rate. Enter your pallet count, dimensions, and the weight of the shipment. Add reference numbers here or any special instructions. You can also enter a pickup date, pickup time, and the origin address. On the right, you'll see your contacts. You can select from your contacts, or you can enter a new address entirely. Click Next. Here you'll see your drop-off or delivery location. If there's a scheduled delivery date, it can be entered here. You can also select a delivery location from your contacts. Click Next. Similarly, you can add the bill to information. This can be done by manually entering an address here or by selecting contacts. Click Submit. You have now successfully created a trip in FreightWeb's Carrier Optimization Suite.